Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name that you have set within the Coromon game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Coromon game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu where you will see the new game option. If you tap on new game, this will begin a new game within your device, and after completing the basic tutorial levels, you will be able to choose your desired username. Once you have chosen your desired username, you will be able to continue playing the game. Now, if you wish to change your username at any point in time, then just tap on the pause button at the top left corner and then tap on settings. Within the settings menu, just tap on the joystick icon, and when you scroll down, you will see the avatar name section. Tap on the modify button, and now you will be able to change your name within the game right away. Just type in your desired username and then tap on the tick mark. And now your name will be changed right away. You can change your name as many times as you wish by coming back into the settings menu and tapping on the modify button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name within the Coromon game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.